Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today we're going to be checking out another Easter egg inside of Subnautica 2. This time it's the googly-eyed clam. I think it's named Frank or something. I'll check that out here in a minute. I actually didn't look that up before I drove over here, but I noticed that somebody mentioned he had a name, or maybe they gave him a name. And he is located somewhere to the southeast, in just past the hot lava zone. So we're going to start over here by the Lifepod. We're going to kind of head towards like 120-ish on the compass. And we're going to be going till we reach sort of the edge of the map, and the edge of like the hot lava zone inside of Subnautica. And we're looking for a very particular dead crab on the southern edge of the hot lava zone here. And this is going to take us out of bounds of the game, and even in creative mode I don't necessarily know what the shiver wing leviathans do. They might actually still aggro on you in creative mode, so let's find out, I guess. So as we head over here to like the 120 area along this is the southern edge here. This is basically what we're looking for. It's full of all of the dead remnants of different crab shells. This is basically the dumping ground for the collector leviathan to dump all of his trash. So as we head along the edge here, we're looking for this upside down crab corpse right here. So here's the crab corpse that I want to see. And then from here, we just head down all the way into the abyss, and then just down here beyond the wall, somewhere over here beyond the wall, is our googly-eyed clam friend. He's pretty deep over here too. Up here's the wall. It'll warn us, but that's fine. Where is our googly-eyed friend? Is he over here? I may have overshot a little bit. Here he is. So here's the googly-eyed clam. He's so cute. And he is located, well, right over here. Oh, the shiverwing leviathan does not like that I'm down here, though. That's fine. That's basically death if you do this on survival mode. Although you are within crushing distance. You just have to slightly go outside of the danger zone to find him. But yeah, you head to like 120 on the compass until you reach one of these dead. I guess it's between these two crabs. Like there's one here that's kind of on this hill, and then there's one over here, and then you head straight down from here. So I overshot ever so slightly, and he's off that shelf over there, not this one right here. That's how you find the googly-eyed clam. I hope it was everything that you could have wished for in an Easter egg here in Subnautica 2. And I'll catch you next time. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and have a good one. Oh, actually, I guess if you made it this far in the video, there is, just inside of this hot lava zone, as you head back down into base, you can dip down here into these holes. This one's just in front of this dead crab looking down as you head back to the Lifepod. And if you go down here, down at the very bottom, that's where you find the Hot Caves base camp. But as you're going down and you look at the wall here, there's a hole here above the base camp, just above all this glowing stuff. And inside of here is an extra bonus secret. It's either like a sushi chef making sushi for his little crowd of patrons. Some people say it's a DJ. I think it's cute that they put this little like random stuff in here for people to find. So that's another little Easter egg. I hope you enjoyed. I've been your host, Larry. Do the likey, subscribey thing, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.